Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your WordPress admin password, complete guide step by step clearly. To reset your WordPress admin password, start by navigating to your WordPress login page. Enter your username or email address in the designated field. Click on the Lost Your Password link located below the login box. You will be redirected to the password recovery page. Here, enter your username or email address again. After entering your information, click on the Get New Password button. Check your email inbox for a password reset link from WordPress. If you don't see the email, check your spam or junk folder. Once you find the email, click on the link provided. This will take you to a password reset page. Create a new password that is strong and secure. Re-enter the new password to confirm it. After confirming your new password, click the Reset Password button. You will see a confirmation that your password has been reset successfully. Now, return to the WordPress login page. Enter your username and the new password you just created. Click Login to access your admin dashboard. You've successfully reset your WordPress admin password. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.